Good day, guys, and this is your guy Kisco FS. So I'll be here to talk about structure. Because so many of the newbie traders are so many of the advanced traders where to are finding it very difficult to identify structures because structure is one of the number one key in the forex market. Like is the number one key to get to understand the charts. If you don't understand what structure means, if you can't follow structure, you can't identify structure on the chart, you'll be finding it very difficult to be able to follow trend, right? And sometimes this structure normally confuses some of us, as in some of you traders. You can't till now. Some of you, I can tell you for free that till now you can't identify a structure very well. Structure, you can't identify a structure very well. It's very, very important to notice. So I said, okay, let me just make a video, a very short one at that, and to show you guys how to identify a good structure, how to follow a structure, how to know it, right? So um, let's just proceed. Let's just proceed. Let's proceed. So now, what you all know is this. When we see something like this on the charts, something like this, we say this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We can all tell that this is a bullish trend, right? And we can all tell that this is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So, but we all know that this is not this drawing I just did now, it's not like this, it's not as clean as this on the chart, right? It's not as clean as this on the chart. So there are things that we don't really understand here. And I want to be clear for you guys so you guys get to understand it very well. Right? So some of my guys, some of my students, definitely, some of them don't really understand this. I just want to do this video so that they can all watch this video and then get to understand this particular structure because some of them are finding it very difficult to understand structure. They will say, boss, this is very simple. If you draw it like this, it's very simple. And the chart is different. When you draw it like this, it's very simple. But if you go to the chart, it's different. I understand. I passed through that thing too. So I understand how you guys feel, right? So I'll just make it very, very simple for you guys to get to understand it very well, right? Now, what you should know is this. You should know how to identify your highs and your lows on every structure. How to identify your highs and your lows. Now, let me say, if the market is coming down from distance, the market is coming down, giving us a bearish momentum coming down like this, right? So now the market is coming down, right? So now this is our high, and this is our low. This is our high, and this is our low. Anything the market is doing between this high and low is none of your business. It's none of your business. If you must be a patient trader, you must have to wait for the market to take out the low or the high. You don't have to rush, right? You must be patient enough to wait for the market to take out the high or the low. Now, in a scenario like this is why some forex traders fall victim of SL and all that. Now, the market will give you something like this. Now, in between these highs and lows, we can see higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it has given us a change of character here. So this is where some people will not take their sell from here, just for it to come down at the end to just take them out. Not take them out. Right? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. This is where some of you guys want to more. I've seen a very good structural break, change your character. Look at this one, then let me just take it from this place. You take it out because you can't identify the structure, you can't identify the low and the high. You have to wait for each one of them to be taken, either the low or the high. Now, this high has been taken. What next? What next? Now, this is now a new low. This is now this is now a new high. This is now a new low. This is now a new high. Now we have to wait for each one of them to be taken. Anything the market is doing inside of this place is none of our business. We have to wait for one of this high or this low to be taken. Then the market can do anything you want to do. The market might do something like this. Since it's here, do something like this. We are patient enough because this lows and this high is still intact. It has not been taken yet. So anything the market is doing here is none of your business. So when the market finally do something like this, now it has given us a new high. Now this is our new high now, and this is our new low. I'm not showing you guys when to take entries from. This video is not to show you my entries or all those things. No. I'm just trying to show you guys how you can identify this high lows on a structural sheet. I don't know if you're getting my point. So I'm not showing you my entry points. I'm just telling you what you guys understand. If you guys fall victim of this very well, that's why you eat so many SL. Stop losses, you just eat that as if you are eating jollof rice. You understand? This is our new low, this is our new high. Same thing always. We wait for the market to do anything you want to do, anything you want to do, anything to do. We have to wait for it to take out either the low or the high before we can confirm its setup or entry. Now, market might do something like this from here. Now, market have changed character again, right? Now, where is our new low and where is our new high? Now, this is our new high and this is our new low. So now we are waiting for market to take any of these. We won't be sometimes the market will just do something like this and just do something like this and take out this immediately. Now this is now a new high and this is now a new low. Now I just want you guys to understand this thing. When you follow the structure like this, you flow well on the chart. You will not be taking unnecessary loss because some of us we are taking our trade from the internal, right? We're taking our trade from the internal. We don't deal with all these internal trades. These things and these things in between here are noise. They are noise. They are just noise. It will just make you be confused. In this point, you might see a very good setup in between this place. This is where you will say, I saw my setup was very, very clean and it still failed because you were taking an internal trade. This particular place, all these places, you see a clean setup. Let me say, for example, now you see something like this here. You see, market have broken structure here, giving you liquidity here. Then the market will come down here. You want to take your buy from here, and it will not be like this and fail. All these things are internal, but you are seeing a good entry in this. That's why it's not holding. That's why it's not holding. I don't know if you guys are getting my point. I think I will stop here. But before I stop, let me just go to the chart and just give you an example too on the chart. Now, this is a chart. Let's start from this place. Let's start from here. Now, this is the low. This is our previous low. This is our previous high, right? Now, we'll mark it out. This is the low. This is the high, right? So now, we have to wait for market to take out either this low or this high. We can see that in between, we can see a structural shift. Look at what market is doing, giving us here, coming down. But finally, the market took out this high. That means automatically this becomes our new high, and this becomes our new low because this structure took this high out. So this becomes our new low. Sorry, I'm sorry. This becomes our new low. This becomes our new high. So now we wait patiently for the market to do what you want to do, but the market has to take either the high or the low. We are not trading internal. Anything that happens here is none of our business. We're not going to trade it, right? So look at what market did. Market came down, and took out this low, right? Took out this low. So now this is now our new high. This is now our new low. This is our new low. Simple as that. Now this is our new high. This is our new low. Anything that the market wants to do, let the market do. I don't know if you're getting me. Anything the market wants to do, let the market do. Remember, this is the low, not this one. This is the low, not this one. Look at what the market did. The market came down, and took out this low. Now we have our new high here, and this is our new low. This is our new low. This is our new high. Market came down again and took out this low. This is now our new low. This is now our new high. Right? Market came back again and took out this low. This is now our new. This is our new low, and this is now our new high. Right? This is now our new low, our new high. The market went again and took out this particular one, and took out this one. That is now our new low. This is now our new high. Right? Market now went up and took out this high. Now this is now our new. This is now our low, and this is now our new high. Not this one. This is our new high now. Just need to follow anything that's happening here. It's not for business. Then the market takes out one of them. I don't know if you guys understand this thing. I know it's very difficult to get to understand this thing very well, but when you get to understand this thing, get to identify these things on the charts very well. I tell you the truth. You will stop taking unnecessary losses. Catch the truth. So I don't want this video to be long. I will stop here. If there's any you guys want to do for you guys, I want to see it on the comment section. Then I will see if I can be able to give you guys a hint on what to do on the particular video you guys are requesting for. So I'll be on the comment section waiting for you guys to what you want me to do for you, and then I will see if it's something I can be able to do. Then I'll go ahead and do it. Right. So for now, bye for now, guys.